Hey everyone, it's your name here, and listen up because the rules for SEO are changing in 2025. Google's always evolving, and to stay ahead, you need to adapt. If you're not evolving your SEO strategy, you're falling behind. Think of it like this. Google's your storefront, and ranking high is like securing prime real estate. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 most critical SEO strategies for 2025. We're talking actionable tips you can implement right now to boost your rankings and drive more organic traffic. Alright, let's dive into the first crucial element of SEO in 2025, understanding search intent. Now you might be thinking, Neil, what exactly is search intent? It's about figuring out what a user is really looking for when they type something into Google. When someone searches for best running shoes, are they looking for a definition, a specific brand, or a comparison guide? There are different types of search intent: informational, navigational, and transactional. Informational intent means the user wants to learn something. Navigational intent is when they're trying to find a specific website. And transactional intent means they're ready to buy. So how do you align your content with search intent? Start by analyzing the top-ranking pages for your target keywords. What type of content are they providing? Are they blog posts, product pages, or something else? Once you understand the intent behind the keyword, you can tailor your content to match. For informational keywords, create comprehensive guides and articles. For navigational keywords, ensure your website is easily discoverable. And for transactional keywords, optimize your product pages with clear calls to action. By understanding and catering to search intent, you're not only pleasing Google but also delivering real value to your audience. Let's talk about EEAT, which stands for Experience, Expertise, Authoritativeness, and Trustworthiness. This isn't just some fancy acronym Google throws around. It's become a cornerstone of their ranking algorithms. Google wants to reward websites that provide credible, high-quality information. They don't want to send their users to websites that are full of fluff or inaccuracies. So, how do you boost your EEAT? First off, focus on creating amazing content. I'm talking well-researched, insightful, and valuable content that keeps users engaged. Next, showcase your expertise. Highlight your credentials, experience, and knowledge in your field. If you're an expert in digital marketing, make sure your website reflects that. Build authority by getting featured in reputable publications and encouraging backlinks from trustworthy sources. And lastly, build trust. Make sure your website is secure, transparent, and user-friendly. Building EEAT is an ongoing process, consistently demonstrating your value and trustworthiness to both Google and your audience. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the algorithm in the search engine, AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming the SEO landscape, and one of the most significant impacts is the rise of semantic SEO. In a nutshell, semantic SEO is all about understanding the meaning and intent behind words. It's not just about targeting specific keywords anymore, it's about understanding the context and relationships between those keywords. Google's AI is getting smarter. It can now understand that best running shoes for marathon training and top-rated footwear for long-distance running are essentially asking the same thing. So, how do you optimize for semantic SEO? Start using more natural language in your content. Write for humans, not just for search engines. Focus on creating comprehensive content that covers a topic in depth. By embracing AI and optimizing for semantic search, you'll be well ahead of the curve in 2025 and beyond. We're living in a voice-activated world. People are asking Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to find information, make purchases, and navigate their lives. This means optimizing for voice search is no longer optional, it's essential. Voice search queries tend to be longer and more conversational than text-based searches. People speak differently than they type, so you need to adapt your content accordingly. Start by thinking about the questions your target audience might ask using voice search. What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? Once you have a good understanding of these conversational queries, incorporate them naturally into your content. Use long-tail keywords and phrases that people are likely to use when speaking. And hey, don't forget about visual search. With platforms like Google Lens and Pinterest Lens, people can now search using images. Make sure your website is optimized for visual search by using high-quality images and videos. Optimize your images with descriptive alt text that accurately describes what's happening in the image. Structured data helps search engines understand the content on your website, including images. Voice and visual search are changing the SEO game, but by adapting your strategy and optimizing your content, you can stay ahead of the curve and reach a wider audience. Okay, let's talk about something Google really cares about: user experience. In 2025, if your website isn't lightning fast and user-friendly, you're going to get left in the dust. That's where Core Web Vitals come in. Core Web Vitals are a set of metrics that measure how quickly your website loads, how interactive it is, and how visually stable it is. These metrics directly impact your search rankings, so it's crucial to pay attention to them. First up, we have largest contentful paint, or LCP, which measures how long it takes for the main content of your page to load. Aim for an LCP of 2.5 seconds or less. Next is first input delay, or FID, which measures how quickly your website responds to user interactions. A good FID is anything below 100 milliseconds. Finally, there's cumulative layout shift, or CLS, which measures how much your page elements shift around as the page loads. A good CLS score is below 0.1. To improve these metrics, optimize your images and videos. Use a content delivery network, or CDN, to deliver your website's content faster. Minimize the use of third-party scripts to keep your website running smoothly. Let's talk about long-tail keywords. These aren't some mythical creatures from the SEO world. They're longer, more specific keyword phrases that target a niche audience. And trust me, they're still incredibly effective in 2025. When someone searches for shoes, they could be looking for anything. But when they search for best running shoes for flat feet men, you know exactly what they want. Long-tail keywords have lower search volume than broader keywords, but they also have less competition, which means you have a better chance of ranking higher. Plus, they attract highly qualified traffic, meaning the people searching for those specific terms are more likely to convert into customers. How do you find these magical long-tail keywords? Start by brainstorming. Think about the questions your target audience might be asking and the specific problems they're trying to solve. Use keyword research tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to identify long-tail keywords related to your industry or niche. Once you've compiled a list of relevant long-tail keywords, create high-quality content that targets those keywords naturally. Focus on providing valuable information that answers the user's query. Now let's talk about topical authority. Building topical authority means becoming a go-to source of information for a specific topic or niche. One effective way to build topical authority is by creating a topical map or content cluster. This helps Google understand the breadth and depth of your knowledge, which can boost your overall rankings. Let's face it, video content is king. And when it comes to SEO in 2025, it's not just about ranking on Google, it's about dominating platforms like YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world. Video is engaging, informative, and easily digestible, making it a powerful tool for reaching your target audience. How do you optimize your videos for search? First things first, keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that people are searching for on YouTube and other video platforms. Optimize your video title, description, and tags. Your title should be catchy, attention-grabbing, and include your target keyword. Your video description should provide a detailed overview of what your video is about, including relevant keywords and phrases. Tags help categorize your video and make it easier for people to find. Creating great video content is only half the battle. Promote it and get it in front of your target audience. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they will share your videos, which can boost your visibility and rankings. So there you have it, the 7 essential SEO strategies to dominate Google in 2025. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistency to see results. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more actionable SEO insights. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below with your biggest SEO challenge. I'm here to help you succeed. And hey, if you need help optimizing your website for maximum visibility and traffic, visit Cheaprank for expert SEO services. We'll help you outrank the competition and achieve your online goals.